Hello. Yes, yes, yes. Hi, Nakul. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Yes, I am doing great actually these days. And a little bit issue just I face these days. The weather is too cold. So that is why I am uncomfortable. Yeah. And
Okay.
apart from this, it's okay. Everything is okay. So since we are meeting for the first time, yeah. So my first question is tell me something about yourself so that I get to know about you a little bit.
Sure, sure, mister. Um, my name is Pankaj and I'm from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. I'm
Okay.
private employee. My hobbies are reading books, playing cricket. That's all about myself.
Okay.
Can I know about?
And okay. Why not? Why not? So my name is Nakul Kumar, and I'm from a beautiful district called Kishanganj in the state of Bihar. Yes, I'm from
Mm.
Bihar. And if I talk about my education, I my highest education is 12. Yeah, and after completing my 12th, I stopped schooling studies. Yeah, I stopped my studying. Yeah, and right now, actually, I belong to a farmer family. So that is why I work with my father on farm. Yes. And if I talk about my interests, so I would say I love reading, writing, and yeah, interacting with co-learners just like you. So that's quite a lot about me.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. That's good. That's a good. So, do you have any YouTube channel?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I have it. But it has very little subscribers.
Okay, no issue. Everything's have, when we start to that time, even if we start working, so sometimes we have to work alone, and
Yeah.
some people
No, I'm happy.
just urging
I'm
me.
happy because yeah,
And
one day. Yeah. Okay, go on.
I want to say like there is we are main motive is to learn this language, not to become YouTuber. So we should focus on this language, and in this
Yeah.
journey, definitely we will um get more success in our this language and as well in YouTube journey.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Why not? If I stick to on my progress, then why not to gain success? Yeah.
Hmm, hmm,
Yeah.
hmm.
So, sir, I have a lot to say. If I agree, then may I ask? Yes.
Okay, okay, no issue. Yes, I'm ready to answer anything.
So, first of all, I just want to know that the question is everybody love to ask, and that is what is your English journey like? Just curious to know all. Yeah, you tell me. How long
Yeah,
did you
it's a
learn?
repeated question,
Yeah.
but no issue. I will answer. My English journey, I'm learning this language. It's been 9 months, and when I was started, so I started with a application that was a Josh Talk, and my initial days, my English was very poor, but I'm consistent since then, and right now I'm because of my regular practice, I'm able to speak with anyone. Yeah, I'm trying to learn something new every day. I'm trying to learn something new. So that's my journey.
And now you are very comfortable talking in English. Yeah. I mean, the way you, yeah, means right now you are able to convey your thoughts. So, yeah, that is why I would say you are, yeah, you achieve your a little bit, I mean, yeah, fluency. And I think Joe Stock is paid version, right? Have you, yeah, have you
That is a
purchased?
paid application, and that is a
Yeah,
really for beginners.
yes. Yeah,
We,
that one is good, but yeah, I am not using. Actually, I have installed, but when I see that it is, yeah, I have to give money, so that's why I uninstall again.
okay, okay,
Uh,
and no,
Actually, I am, yeah, actually, instead of Joe Stock, I use CV. Have you heard this name? I think you might
yes,
have heard. Yeah.
yeah,
Just
I
like,
listen.
yeah, yeah, CV is just like similar to Joe Stock. Yeah. But in CV app, half an hour every day, you get to talk with someone. Yeah. Yes.
Okay,
And 1 month ago, I think I got this application.
hmm,
Yes.
okay, okay, that's Good. So what's your hobby like, Nakul?
My hobbies, so as I said, like I am in my progress, means in the sense I am learning English. So that is why these days I love reading, writing, yeah, and
Okay.
watching English content. Yeah, English content means doing something productive things makes me happy. You can say, and interacting with co-learners just like you. Yes. So that's thing. Yeah, make me
So
happy.
as you mentioned, you loved reading. So which kind of books you read?
No, I am not reading any kind of book. I read only whatever I watch videos on YouTube and I watch its caption. After watching entire video, then again I watch its caption. Means it's transcript. Yeah, there is a option transcript. Yeah, if you click on videos title, then you will get to see a feature like transcript, and when you click there, then you will get to see a entire, yeah, caption. Yeah, and I again read. And when I see that if I am not sure about any words or sentences, then I go to Google. Yeah, then I go to Google and find out its meaning, or try to just like it's like I
Okay.
practice, you can say. Hmm.
Okay.
By the
So
way,
I
even I don't know how to speak Spanish. Yeah.
I want to know like what's need and why you are learning this language. What's need in your life, like personal life or professional life? What's need of this language? Why you started to learn this language?
So actually, my English journey began from my father. So actually, when I was young, means 2 or 3 class, so my father always encouraged me to learn English. Yeah, my father always tells me to learn English. So that is why from that time I gain I get motivation to learn English. So that is why I start learning English. But in between there are lots of, like, yeah, there are lots of like ups and downs I get to see, and even, yeah, means I am learning English right now, you can say. And even I would say, yeah, and even I would say, instead of this question, I would say I was nothing 3 or 4 months ago, but when I get this application or CBF, yeah, I start speaking. But earlier I did not know how to speak English, but right now I am able to speak English a little bit, as you can see. Yeah.
Okay. So you told you are a 12th pass. So
Yes.
why you left your study, further study? Why you not enroll in like higher education like?
Okay. So first one is I have interested in schooling studies, so that is why. And next one is money problem, so that is why I had to stop studying.
Yeah, we can say like financial problem.
Yeah, financial reason. Yes.
Hmm. Okay, no issue. So nowadays, what are you doing? Like, what do you do?
Currently, as I said, yeah, I belong to a farmer family, so that is why I have to do a lots of work in my farm. And even today, I am just working on my farm, and then I take a bath, then I have my lunch, and then I am here. Yes. So means currently I work with my father on farming, on corn farm. Yes.
Okay. So currently, like nowadays, what is you cultivated in your farm?
So first one is corn, and next is potatoes. I cultivate, and next coriander, eggplant. So these are,
Hmm.
yes.
So I think you are a really like educated farmer. So you should try to, learn something modern farming. You should do modern farming, and it will help to, make more beneficial your farming. Because as you mentioned, nowadays you just helping your father in your field, and you also just left your study. So try to make your farming like modern farming.
Yeah, that's true. But here I would say my main focus is to become a teacher on YouTube, online teacher. So that is why I just working with my father.
Oh, wow,
Yeah,
that's
just
very good. So
just like
for that,
my main motive is to, yeah, become a, you can say, famous or whatever you call. Yes.
So, Mr. Nakul, I want to say one thing. If you want to famous, if you want to become a teacher, so first you should, you must have to work hard. You must have to work hard for your passion. Like for you will get master in this language, you will
Yes.
get profession and experience in this language. Then after you will become a really good tutor. You will become a good teacher, and you will become famous. Otherwise,
That's
uh, if you just think, no, only not for you, anyone, if thinking like I'm just creating a normal videos, it's not possible. So, and everything's need, whatever you are making career in any field, so it's need like so much hard work. Without hard work, nothing is possible.
yes. Yeah, I am working on my communication skill, but let's see what happens in future. Yeah,
Hmm.
but
Okay.
I'm per-
In your background, I am seeing something like what is the garden? That is banana and what?
no corn and next is bananas. Yeah,
Yeah, that things I'm asking. Okay, that is
and
banana.
behind me it is corn. Yeah,
Okay, it's a corn. Yeah, Aisha, I travel many times through Bihar, so Aisha, there's corn farming is in a very high level. There's people do corn
yes.
farming. Okay,
But I
okay, okay.
don't cultivate corn, but I have like yeah little version you can say. Yeah.
Okay,
Because,
okay. Depend
yeah,
on.
yeah. Even I'm not comfortable talking about these things. Yeah.
Mhm. Oh, no issue. That's why I'm saying you should, you have to work on your, if you want to really become teacher, you have to work on your, communication skill. You have to talk about everything. Never try, be afraid of any kind of conversation. If someone put any topics, to never just give up, never try to run away from that topics. Just try to discuss on that, and definitely you will get, mm, you know,
Yes.
fluency. And even I'm also not good, and I'm also trying to learn some things new. I mentioned. So yeah, I'm also doing same. I always try to learn some things new.
Yes, we all are learners, so that is why here you are, right? Yes.
Hmm.
Right. But
Okay.
yes, whatever you are asking me in this, yeah, in this session, and later means after this session, I will try to, yeah, fix it. Means, yeah, in the evening, I will try to, yeah, make it in a better way, so that if someone, so that if, so if someone asks me the same question, so that I can, yeah, perform in a better.
Absolutely, we should always ready to answer any kind of question. Okay.
And sir, and my next question is, I wanna know that the place where you live at. So, is there any kind of place? Is there any kind of, I mean, like person or environment so that you can practice with?
No, there is no one through which whom I can practice. I'm just only practicing on this platform on Joestar, and apart from these two platform, there are no one which whom I can practice. So I'm just only depend on the social media, and whatever I'm learn and whatever I'm speaking, it's only because of social media. You can share.
Yes. Yeah, just like me. Yeah, I am also. Yeah. I also haven't joined ever like any institute. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I whatever I am. Yeah, whatever I am speaking because of internet.
Yes. Yeah, and today's like internet, it's a very powerful things where we can learn anything, not only this language, anything. Like if you desire anything, if you have wish to learn anything, you can learn. Even nowadays on YouTube and social media and different platform, there are everything available related to English learning, related to in like coding, and many things are available on social.
available on.
So it's even just few days ago I learned with sorry I talk with a guy. He was from uh, West Bengal. He told I
Okay.
never went to school even after fifth class, but now I am just developing my websites. I'm developing my application because of my interest, because of social media. And he
Okay.
was speaking really very good English. I thought, so why you are learning English? So he told, I'm just always eager and keen to learn some things new and interact with new persons. That's why I'm here. I'm talking. Otherwise, there are no need. My English is really good, and I'm doing very good. And he's developing. Even he was send me some website links and applications names as well. He told me I designed this and you can see the my name. So I thought there is nothing impossible to learn.
Yes. Yes. Whatever it's built by humans, we humans. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, sure. Okay, Nakul, if you have any question, to you can ask. Otherwise,
So my
we
last,
should.
so my last question is, what is your mother tongue? What is
Ah,
your mother tongue?
like Nakul, I'm from Prayagraj. So my mother tongue is Hindi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Even my schooling language is Hindi. Yeah.
Yeah, your scholarly language is Hindi and your mother tongue is Bhojpuri.
No, Bhojpuri no.
Then,
Rajvanshi. Yeah.
Raj?
Rajvanshi. If you search on YouTube Rajvanshi video, then you will hear my voice.
Okay,
Our
okay. I'll
our
search. I'll search Nakul. I think maybe you are in entire Bihar, their language is Bhojpuri, so that's why I told. Okay, issue.
uh,
So,
I understand Bhojpuri. I understand a little bit. I even can speak. Yeah. Okay,
mhm.
then I think this session is going to so longer. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
Then
Nakul.
thank you.
So it's a nice conversation with you.
Yes.
Sure. Thank you. Have a nice day and bye bye.
Okay.